In this video, I will show you how you can change the language in Google Docs. So if you're interested in knowing this, then keep on watching. The advantage of changing the language in Google Docs is that once you will type your text in the Google Docs, it will give you the spelling mistakes for that language. For example, right now by default the language is English. If I change it into a German or a French language, and if I start to type the French language, it will give me the spelling errors as well as the grammatical errors. Since I do not know any language other than the English, so I'm not going to type any French or German, but I'm just going to show you how you can change the language in Google Docs. So if you want to change that, open the Google Docs, open your document, go to the file, and from the drop down menu come on the bottom and you will see the language. Once you will hover over the language, you will get another pop-up menu in which you will almost have all the popular languages of the world. You can select the language of your choice. For example, I select the Filipino. So that's how you can change the language in Google Docs. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.